Well, hello. If you don't have the finances to purchase a raised garden bed, or you don't have the knowledge to build a raised garden bed, what you could use is just a regular cardboard box to grow plants. All you have to do is take the labels off and the tape, put your soil in here, add your seeds, water it, and your plants will start to grow. And also another benefit, this box will break down over time. And you can just add this into the ground and it'll become compost and another fertilizer resource. Or if you want to do it this way, you could add some shredded newspaper inside the box, place some soil on top, plant your seeds, and that will also give you another way to compost your paper and cardboard. You know, try this hack out. Let me know your thoughts.